Shrimp grilled chicken. Grilled chicken boning. I'm a pro in boning. Prepare oyster sauce, light soy sauce, Orleans marinade, chili powder, minced garlic. Spread well and marinate for half an hour. Chopped shrimp. Fried until golden. Sprinkle with green and red peppers and diced onions. Sausage chicken octopus shell meat squid. Add bean paste and fry until fragrant. Stuffed into the chick. Squeeze in Thai sweet and hot sauce. Stuff in shrimp's lips. Transforming. Just ask if it's tempting.